Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is lack of penetration. See, lack of penetration is a welding defect and it is also known as incomplete penetration. Incomplete penetration. In short form, it is called as LOP, lack of penetration, or LP also. And sometimes it is also called as IP, incomplete penetration. So these are the short forms of lack of penetration. Now friends, to explain lack of penetration, let me draw a drawing of welding. See, this is a single V joint. Now during welding, the first run is called as root run, and it is done so that these two edges are completely fused with the weld metal. The last edges completely gets fused with the weld metal. So like this welding is done. So what happens, the weld metal completely penetrates the joint thickness. This is a kind of sound welding. Now in lack of penetration, the weld metal is not able to completely come out the joint thickness, or the weld metal is not able to completely penetrate the thickness, joint thickness. Then in that case it is called as lack of penetration. Like here I'll draw one more drawing. Suppose this is a root run and the root weld metal is not completely joining these two edges, hence in that case this is lack of fusion. See, weld metal is up to here, it has not completely penetrated the entire thickness, then in that case it is called as lack of fusion. Now friends, there are two types of joints. One is PJP and one is CJP. PJP is partial joint penetration joints, partially joint penetration welds, partially joint penetration, and CJP is complete joint penetration, complete joint penetration. So in case of CJP joint, this penetration must be done, but if it is a PJP joint, partial joint penetration, then this penetration is not required. Hence if it is a CJP joint, we need to completely penetrate the weld metal throughout the thickness of the joint. Now what are the reasons or what are the causes which results in lack of penetration? So the first cause which results in lack of penetration is insufficient heat input. Insufficient heat input. If you will not be able to give a correct parameter of heat input, then there will be a lack of penetration. Then rapid travel speed. Rapid travel speed of the electrode. So if we go very fast, then chances of getting incomplete penetration will be there. Now one of the most prominent causes is improper joint design. Improper joint design, and within this cause we have one very prominent issue is less gap. See, like here this is our joint, and if we give a very less amount of gap here, then chances of getting lack of penetration will always be there. So less gap or improper joint design is one of the major causes of lack of penetration. Now we will discuss some more causes, like trapped oxides or slag. Trapped oxides or slag. So if some oxide or slag or flux will be trapped at this position, then will not get complete penetration. Hence we need to remove those oxides or slags. Again, if our electrode, fifth point is, if our electrode position is incorrect electrode position, then also we'll get that defect. And one of the most prominent, that is sixth one, is the size of electrode. Size of electrode. So we need to use a correct size or a correct dia while doing welding. So if our electrode dia is not correct, or if it is larger dia than specified, then we'll get lack of penetration. Friends, why lack of penetration is very dangerous? It is dangerous because lack of penetration can initiate cracks. So lack of penetration can initiate cracks. That is why it is very dangerous. Now I'll show you a photograph of lack of penetration. See, this is the back side of joint, this side. From the back side this photo has been taken. So here you can see there is no penetration, means the two edges or the two sides of the joints, you can see completely there is no penetration. Weld metal has not come out from this. And in this diagram also, here you can see no traces of weld metal this side. So this is lack of penetration. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.